A flashing streetlight isn't just an annoyance, it's a symptom of a deeper electrical conflict. Let's run an expert diagnosis. Cause number 1, feedback loop. The sensor sees its own light. As we discussed before, simply shielding the sensor fixes this. Cause number 2, incompatible LEDs. Standard sensors cannot handle the inrush current from modern LED drivers. You need a zero-crossing photocell like the lead top LT134. Cause number 3, environmental triggers. Heavy rain or fog can reflect light into the sensor. Our built-in time delay filters out these false signals. Cause number 4, low voltage. In unstable grids, line voltage can drop below 90 volts, causing the relay to chatter. The LT154 is designed to operate reliably even down to 80 volts. In a recent case study in São Paulo, switching to lead-top LT154 sensors reduced flicker complaints by 92% across 15 districts. Don't guess. Diagnose. For municipal-grade stability, choose lead-top.
Lead Top, your flexible OM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.